Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. Because of this pandemic situation, we are forced to stay indoors. So when we are indoors, how can we make more money? That is exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. Number 1, earning with YouTube. I know we have talked about this in our previous videos, but here is some new information. Now, just like Instagram Reels, even YouTube has a feature called Shorts, where you can post short videos just like how you do it in Reels. And here, the views that you get on your YouTube Shorts also count as your watch time. So if you get 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours as watch time, then you can monetize your content, which means you can immediately start posting shorts right now, increase your watch time, and start monetizing your content. And here, your content can be anything. So pick a niche, make videos on your niche, and start using SEOs and hashtags and keywords and promote your content. And in no time, you will start earning money. Now, for this, you do not need any sort of investment. All you need is a little bit time, put some effort, focus on creating a channel, and start monetizing your content. Number 2, online educational courses. Now, since everyone is at home, everyone wants to learn something. So what you can do is, if you are an expert in a subject, then start making videos on that subject and start posting it on Instagram or Facebook or even YouTube. And when you monetize those content, when people watch that content, you will be getting an income. And not just that, if you're really good at it, you can privately tutor people online. So you don't have to leave your house. All you need is a laptop and you can tutor people. Number 3, sell your art. If you're really good at painting or if you're really good at jewelry making, then what you can do is sit at home, make any jewelries, paint a painting, and you can sell them on Etsy or eBay or even Flipkart now. So don't let your talent go to waste. See what you're talented about, make a few stuff out of it and sell them online. There are a lot of different items that you can sell online, like branded t-shirts, mugs, paintings, jewelry, scented candles, and there are a lot of things. So you can research, see what is in demand and make that item and sell it online. Number 4, rent your vacant property. So if you happen to have a multi-story building with a lot of units available, then you can rent a unit out and start earning an income from it. So this kind of income will be a passive income. Number 4, rent your vacant property. So if you have a multi-story building or if you have a lot of space, then try to remodel it, make it into a few units and rent it out. Because nowadays a lot of students and a lot of working professionals are looking to rent out small units or shared units. So make sure you rent out your property which is vacant and earn a passive income from it. Number 5, freelancing. So there are a lot of things you can do with freelancing. If you're good at writing, you can become a freelance writer or a copywriter. If you're good at photography, you can become a freelance photographer. So there are a lot of things available in the freelancing world. All you have to do is pick a right website to book all your contracts and start earning money by sitting at home. So all the points that I've mentioned right now, they do not need much investment or capital. All you have to do is sit at home, have a good laptop or a Wi-Fi connection, focus, get some time, do some research and start earning just by sitting at home. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or career building courses or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use this code, you will be getting 2000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.